Can you file a wrongful death lawsuit against a nursing home? Losing a loved one in a nursing home can leave families grieving and searching for answers. Yes, Massachusetts law allows a wrongful death lawsuit against a nursing home when negligence or abuse causes a resident's death. Under Massachusetts General Laws Chapter 229, Section 2, the executor or administrator of the estate may bring the claim. Common causes include unwitnessed falls, inadequate staffing, medication errors, untreated infections, dehydration, malnutrition, and failure to follow a resident's care plan. A wrongful death in this setting happens when negligence, recklessness, or willful misconduct leads to a resident's death. Falls are one of the most common reasons these claims arise, especially when a facility fails to protect a resident known to be at risk. To prove negligence, the family must show the nursing home owed a duty of care, breached that duty, caused the death, and created measurable damages. Nursing homes in Massachusetts must follow federal regulations under 42 CFR Part 483 and state regulations under 105 CMR 150.000. These rules require individualized care plans, adequate staffing, resident supervision, and steps to prevent foreseeable harm. If a resident is identified as a fall risk, the care plan should include individualized measures that match that person's needs. Failing to follow the actual care plan may be evidence that the facility breached its duty of care. Medical records are often central to proving what happened. Important evidence can include care plans, nursing notes, medication logs, incident reports, staffing records, inspection reports, and deficiency citations. Missing records, gaps in charting, or the absence of an incident report after a fall may point to negligence. Discovery can also reveal whether understaffing explains why supervision or assistance was not provided. Some nursing home claims may also involve the Massachusetts Medical Malpractice Tribunal process under GL Circa 231, Section 60B. Massachusetts law also generally requires written pre-suit notice under GL Circa 231, Section 60L before a medical malpractice action begins against a provider of healthcare. Damages in a wrongful death case are based on the loss to surviving family members, not only the loss to the estate. Those damages may include loss of expected net income, loss of care and companionship, funeral and burial expenses, and in some cases punitive damages. The estate may also recover for the decedent's conscious pain and suffering under GL Circa 229, Section 6. Punitive damages may apply when the conduct involved gross negligence or willful, wanton, or reckless behavior. The statute of limitations is generally 3 years from the date of death, although the timing may begin later if the executor knew or should have known the factual basis of the claim later. That timing can matter when a facility concealed information, failed to report an incident, or gave misleading explanations about the cause of death. Understaffing and failure to follow care plans are often major factors in preventable nursing home deaths. When too few nurses or aides are on duty, residents may try to move without help, increasing the risk of falls and other serious harm. Inspection reports from the Massachusetts Department of Public Health may help show that a facility had notice of staffing or safety problems before a resident was harmed. Only the executor or administrator may file the lawsuit, but damages may be distributed to the surviving spouse, children, or next of kin under Massachusetts law. A lawyer can help preserve records, review medical charts, and evaluate whether the facility failed to meet the required standard of care. A wrongful death attorney may also send a preservation letter, handle pre-suit requirements, and build a case using staffing histories, inspection findings, and care documentation. If your family is facing this kind of loss, the law firm Colucci and Marcus, PC understands how painful these cases can be, and attorney Dino M. Colucci and attorney Darren Colucci are identified in the firm's materials as part of the team handling these matters. If you need compassionate guidance after a nursing home death, lawyer Dino M. Colucci and the law firm Colucci and Marcus, PC can be reached at 617-698-6000, and their office is located at 424 Adams Street, number 101, Milton, Massachusetts, 02186, United States.